And new this morning, a plea from emergency officials in Campbell County.
Leaders want you to opt in for an emergency alert system, and we're going to check in with WCPO 9 news reporter Allie Kramer. She is live for us in Alexandria this morning to show us how this Rave Alert system works. Allie.
Well, yeah, guys, these notifications are just like anything else you would get, like a text on your phone, but they're emergency alerts. You can sign up for anything like winter weather, severe weather, road closures, but crime alerts and emergency notifications are the most important. But in Campbell County, they say only about 2,000 people have opted into the service of the about 93,000 people that are here in the county. Now, we talked with William Turner. He is the director of Campbell County EMA, and he showed us how the system works in his office. He says it works in conjunction with Smart 911. That's where you can input family information and emergency contacts that will go to first responders if you ever dial 911. And then you can actually select which alerts you want to receive. Each county has different options. For example, in Campbell County, they offer things like crime alerts, winter weather, shelter in place, tornado warnings. Turner says they can even isolate the areas where they're sending out those specific alerts, which they actually did very recently.
Recently, we had an active shooter in one of our communities, a gentleman out running around with a gun. He was considered armed and dangerous. The police department asked for us to send a Rave Alert out. We did. Lo and behold, a lot of people found out they did not get the alert because they had not signed up for the system.
And so what Turner really wants to also let people know is they're not going to be bombarding you with all sorts of road closures and small kind of alerts like that. They use it very sparingly, truly only for emergency events that they want people to know about. And Kristen, the easiest way to get signed up for this is to log into Smart 911. Just type it into Google. We'll also be sure to share a link on WCPO.com, but then you can kind of see which alerts you're able to sign up for based on where you live. So my alerts are for Cincinnati, and it even offered me Norwood from the downtown Cincinnati area. So if you live over here in Kentucky, you'll start to see those options as well.
Very interesting. Yeah, very valuable to you, maybe where you live and work. Allie, thanks so much. And we will get that on our website if you want to sign up.